Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Google Pixel 2. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject the SIM card. The first thing we're going to want to do is retrieve our SIM eject tool, which looks like this. It does come in your packaging, the little booklet that looks like this. If you go ahead and open it up, right in here you will see that SIM eject tool. So that does come with your phone. So go ahead and pull that out, and once you have it out, locate on the top left hand side of the phone right here there is a little SIM tray. You can see a little hole, so there it is. What we're going to want to do is insert this SIM eject tool, and once you get it in the hole, just give it a little bit of pressure and it will then just pop out a little bit. You'll have to pull it out the rest of the way. As you can see, it is currently empty. There's nothing in there. So if we take a closer look at this SIM tray, we can see that it does have a cutout, and it does have a little bit of an angled cutout right over here on this edge, on that corner. So we're going to go ahead and use that to align our SIM card. So just like that, the SIM card also has a part that has that same exact cutout. We're gonna go ahead and slide it in, and just like that, it should fit nice and snug. If you have a SIM card that is a little bit bigger, you can also always cut it down to make it fit the size that you need. So once you have it then inserted inside the SIM tray, what we're gonna want to do is go ahead and insert it back into the device and make sure you're lining up the hole with the hole that's already there, that's existing on the phone. If you don't, it will not fit. You won't be able to push it in. And just like that, you have it installed. I strongly recommend powering your device off when you're doing this. And when you're taking it out, same thing. Just power the phone off and take it out. So if you're going to go ahead and take it out, same thing. Grab your SIM eject tool, find your hole, insert the SIM eject tool in there. The tray will come out. And at that point, you can take out the SIM card and install the tray back into your device. So that is how you insert and eject the SIM card on a Google Pixel 2. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you know somebody else who might be looking for this information, go ahead, share this with them. If you guys have any kind of feedback, positive or negative, any kind of comments, questions, go ahead and drop those in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.